Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, I've been getting so many people asking me questions and they've been saying, Carter, I work a full-time 9-to-5 job. How can I swing trade? So we're going to be talking about some tips and techniques that you guys can do for becoming a swing trader, and we're also going to be talking about a strategy that I absolutely love. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the markets and pretty much how I swing trade, the stocks I use, we got private, we have private live streams, we got a group chat, we got quizzes, we got lectures, everything. If you literally want to take trading serious, check it out down below. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass, and guys, you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So don't tell anyone, code YouTube, check it out down below, and guys, let's dive into this here. So when it comes to swing trading and trading in the markets here, a lot of people ask me, they say, Carter, I work a 9-to-5 job. I don't have a lot of time. Maybe I work construction, or I can't be actively on a computer or my phone. What are some things that I can do? So if you're just starting out, the first thing that I would recommend doing is obviously just learning how to swing trade. And during this time, you can sign up for an account like Moomoo, which offers paper trading. I'll put them down below. They're awesome. But paper trading is using simulated money to practice your entries, your exits, and all that stuff. And the reason why I chose Moomoo is because they offer it on your phone. So all you need to do is be able to plan out some trades. So what you guys can do is set limit orders. So limit order is pretty much, it's the amount that you want to pay for a stock. So if a stock's trading for $100 and it's at $105 and you want to pay $100, you can put in a limit order for $100 and you can just let it ride. You can have it good till cancel. So it's good until you cancel that order. So if the stock sells off to $100, it will get executed while you're at work, while you're working away. So this is really, really cool because, now you can pick the type of order you want. But more importantly, a lot of brokers like Moomoo, when you are in a trade, you can set your stop loss. You can set your profit already preset, which is cool. So you can plan out your trades beforehand. And I think that's very, very important. So you could say, all right, well, and NVIDIA maybe is a stock I want to buy. Let's set a limit order for $100. Boom, it gets executed. Maybe, you go in, you say, okay, I want to take profit here, set my stop loss here. You can do that right on Moomoo and a lot of other, trading brokers. So, with swing trading and especially trying to trade, at a 9-to-5 job, a lot of people are trying to escape that 9-to-5 job, which I get. But you have to have very, very realistic expectations when it comes with, trading. If you have $1,000, don't expect to make $1,000 a week. Expect to make $10, $20, $30, $40. But what you need to do is take all the profits you make and just compound it. So, if that just say 1 week you make $100, the next week you have extra leverage because you can use the profit as buying power. So, I think that's really, really important here. So let's show you guys a little strategy position that I'm in on. And let's dive into this here. So like I said, the broker I am using is Moomoo, and they're awesome because they offer a lot of really cool indicators and charting and scanning and all that stuff. And I think that's really important, planning out your trades, being able to go in after hours on maybe you get out of work at 5, you can spend an hour looking for some opportunity. You can paper trade, you can paper trade for the next day, and just practice. And, spending a little time just working on a strategy, I think is very, very important here. So looking at this stock here, this is NVIDIA. This is a stock here that we actually recently bought. And you guys can see, right? You guys can see this nice trend line where it hits it each and every time, forming this nice trend. Hits it each and every time, it gets this good buying pressure here. When it comes to trading and swing trading in the markets, I think it's very, very important to have a checklist to determine if you should buy it. I think is crucial. So, for me, I have a handy dandy trading journal, and the first thing on my checklist is a stock on an upward trend. The next thing, support. Support is on this trend line. You guys can see natural tendencies of buying pressure. We've also seen, a lot of support on certain price and indicators. RSI, in most cases, I do like the RSI under 30, but with NVIDIA, I wanted to seek out this opportunity from the sell-off. So what we look for is that normally under 30, it's at about a 35. So it's still a very, very undervalued point for NVIDIA because this is considered a growth stock. And, looking back at previous points of the stock being at a 35, we've had great buying pressure like in here, and, seeking in the past, we've had it in here. So, good points there. The next thing is earnings. When it comes with trading, personally, I never want to hold during an earnings report. An earnings report is a 50-50 chance of making money, and we want higher odds than that. So with the NVIDIA trade here, you guys can see when they announced their earnings, the stock went from about $125 all the way to about $100. So if you were trading during that time, that's not looking good, right? And so I do think that, holding during an earnings is never a good sign. You can buy in after or you can sell before. That's my huge recommendations. So the next thing is risk and reward. So going back to planning out your trades, using Moomoo here, they offer something called a long position tool. So what you guys do is you just click the long position tool and you can already kind of just get a general gauge. So if your target price is up here at about $130, your entries here, you have your stop loss here. You're risking about $1 to make $4.52, which is a really good risk and reward. Now, trading, obviously this is just a drawing tool. So this does not preset your buy and sell orders. You actually have to go, to your trade, your settings and where you buy the positions. I'm not going to show you because it has all my account information on there and stuff like that. So all you got to do is just click the trade icon down on the bottom here. It's actually right. I'll show you guys. It's actually right. Where are we at? Right here. So once you click that trade icon, it'll pop up with a, pretty much the order types, the positions you're in on, how many shares you can buy, all that stuff. And obviously your account stuff as well. So, but going back to this here, so this will help you plan it out because you can actually be like, okay, I want to take target. I want to have my profit here, stop here, and this is my risk and reward. So on that checklist, my thing that I always say is a minimum of 2-to-1 risk and reward. So this is about a 4.5-to-1, which is really, really good. The last thing is just looking at the hourly and seeing if it can find some sort of support. And as of right now, we do have a little window, near and around, I would say this 106 area where we've just gotten good buying pressure. You guys can see this nice reversal. So we could see a nice little breakout going back up to highs. So, trading and swing trading and all that stuff with a full-time job is definitely doable. But just like with anything, it just takes practice. That's all it is it takes practice. And if you're looking to get out of your 9-to-5 job, I would highly recommend looking at education, focusing on that. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn when it comes with trading. And then more importantly, just have realistic goals. Don't expect to get out of your job next week or next month or even a year from now. Look like how a doctor, an engineer, and a lawyer does, is it takes years of practice and hard work and, just putting in those hours. That's all it takes to be a trader, is just putting in those hours, and just consistent base hits. Those things will make a successful trader. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. You won't regret it. It's awesome. And you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So I'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. Take care.